Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we seek the hottest tea while spilling some secrets. And today I am going to spill a skincare secret of mine. It may somewhat feel a little scary and dangerous, but trust me, just trust me, it's worth all the pain and it works like magic to your skin. So buckle up and let's get started. Okay, so now as you can see, I have had little, small breakouts on my skin. This I did some operation out of anxiety. Okay, yeah, so and this a little bit breakouts, but yeah, firstly, yeah, let me say you the procedure which I'm talking about. It's known as micro needling or derma rolling. Okay, so many of the celebrities and many people like influencers and rich people who have money, they go to this reputed clinics and all, skincare clinics to like to have this treatment done on their skin, especially the face. But as we so we gonna try that at home. Yeah, it's it's nothing like it's nothing like उसका बहुत अलग है ये बहुत अलग है. Both the procedures are samely like are equally done, but we just gonna do at home because I think at home भी बहुत लोग अभी like they have adapted this procedure. So yeah, it is safe to use. Don't think it's really harmful. It is safe to use and it is, trust me, it gives you 100% best result. Okay, so yeah, so firstly I want to say why this procedure is getting so much fame nowadays. Like it's on a skincare trend, I must say, because what happens ki a woman start losing the production of collagen from the age of 25 and above, and while it's of the a man, they start losing it from the age of 30 and above. Now what's collagen? Collagen basically is an instant like ingredient that stays like underneath your skin, which makes you look farmer, which makes your skin glowing farmer and literally childlike skin it gives you. So अब क्या होता है कि इसका प्रोडक्शन it gets decreased every year by 1%. In male it's from 30 and above, and in women it's 25 and above. Okay, so ये प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाता है. Now what this derma rolling does is that they make little bit tiny microscopic injuries to your skin, to your face, so that in the process of healing your skin from that small cuts, the skin starts boosting the production of the collagen also, जो ऐसे 1% per year कम होते जा रहा है. Like what I say, the time age, like the age limit I said. So if you are 25 and above and you're a girl, of course it is safe for you to like do this procedure on your face. And but if you are under 25, then don't do it. It's not your age now, okay? And if you're a man of 30 and above, of course you can do it. And if you're below 30, you are a guy, you're a man, then don't do it. It's not needed. So what? So let's without further delay, let's get into it. So firstly, what we're gonna do is, this is the derma rolling needle. So you can see the needles are there. You see, yeah, these are small needles. अब इसमें भी varieties आते हैं. Like there is one needle, like it starts from 0.25 mm, and then उसके बाद सब आता है 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, ऐसे करके बढ़ता रहता है the needle sizes. Now if you are a beginner in this like process, in this like you're new to this treatment and you're doing at home also, in clinic also they also give you a choice, like they also prescribes the current a particular needle length, of course. But as of this roller I'm speaking, if you are a beginner in this, like you're adapting to this procedure, then always start with 0.25 mm. Okay, don't go and buy 0.5 or 1 mm at all. If you're a beginner, start with 0.25 mm. And most importantly, up you see this needle, it's a use and throw kind of thing. Okay, like not after one use you're gonna throw it up. It you can use a roller for up to, I think, 4 times or 5 times. And वो भी क्या है कि weekly एक बार you can do it. Okay, so up if you calculate, it's like one roller you can use from like over a month, like 1 month, and next month ke 1 week tak you can use like 5 times what I usually do. I'm just saying that. So that much you can go. And after that what happens, the needle of this roller gets blunt, तो इसलिए नहीं हो पाता है, like it's you have to throw it out. नहीं हो पाता, like it's you have to throw it out, then you have to buy another. So what I did is actually I used 0.25 mm for 2 months. Then I shifted, then I elevated to 0.5 mm, and I'm gonna stick to it for until I'm 35, or like yeah, until I'm getting the wrinkles on my face. Then I will elevate to 1 mm. So 1 mm is basically for the wrinkles. The woman and man who are facing wrinkles and they're getting fine lines, they can use this 1 mm to get rid of the wrinkles, to boost collagen at most faster rate, to eradicate those wrinkles and fine lines. But if you are in 25 or 30, like that and like that, and you have no fine lines or wrinkles, then don't elevate from 0.5 to 1 mm in that phase. Okay, stick to 0.5 only. So first क्या होता है कि first you start from 0.25, then after 2 months, like after buying it 2 times, not 2 months, like after buying it 2 times, then you buy the 0.51 if you are this beginner, and if you are not have any wrinkles and you're only using this derma roller for your skin, like not get the breakouts or fine or make it glowy. For that purpose, after 0.25, then 11 to 0.5 and stick to it. Now let's get to the procedure of it. First, what you have to do, ki when you bought it newly, like you bought it newly or whatever, like every time before using it, you have to spray this, you have to disinfect it. Now with what ingredient you will disinfect it? Okay, wait, I'm gonna show it with you. Where did I got it? So with this isopropyl alcohol 70%, this is the product here. Okay, I'm gonna share the link in my video description box, and this is the product. So isopropyl alcohol 70%, only stick to the 70% only. Don't, there is 90% का भी एक है in market, but don't go and use that. So 70% only use it. So तुम क्या कर सकते हो कि you wanna take it up in this spray bottle, put it in this spray bottle, and before using 5 minutes के पहले you wanna spray it up like this. Okay, spray it up and just keep it aside in the box. ऐसे box दिया ही जाता है, रोलर के साथ आता है, and keep it aside like this for 5 minutes. And in that 5 minutes, for the face, what you want to do, you want to apply a rose water. Okay, now I use Vitro Naturals ka rose water. It's good. And it's also, it comes like 200 ml, तो बहुत दिन चल भी जाता है. So I use this one, rose water. Yeah, Vitro ka rose water. So yeah, you're gonna spray it up, not like you're gonna spray it up, then you're gonna dab it with a cotton. then you're gonna, for this purpose solely, don't leave your face like this, because you have to dab it. Okay, like take a little bit on your my cotton and then apply it on your face, dab it like this. Just and also another thing, if you have a lot of acne, a lot of pimples, and you're suffering from hormonal acne and all, don't do this treatment, don't go for this procedure. बिकॉज क्या होगा कि अगर एक जगह पे यू हैव एक्ने एंड पिंपल, तो उसका जो बैक्टीरिया है इट विल गेट ट्रांसमिटेड टू अदर पार्ट ऑफ द स्किन जहाँ पे उतना एक्ने और पिंपल नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर रबिंग दिस, यू आर रोलिंग दिस ऑन योर फेस, राइट? सो the needles will transmit this bacteria from here and there, so full face में हो जा सकता है. So if you are facing a lot of hormonal acne or pimples, then consult a dermatologist and don't do it, this procedure, don't go for it. Like unless you have this 2-3 ऐसे कि 1-2 ऐसे कुछ होगा अगर like acne, then it's good. For the scar it's good. Like derma rolling सिर्फ anti-aging नहीं है, it also helps boosting the collagen. Means collagen keeps you looking, helps you look younger. It also helps you get rid of this acne and the scars also. सब एक बार में ठीक कर देता है derma rolling, because the sole purpose is only to make your lazy, tired skin fixer get motivated and fix your skin all over again. Like scars से तो ठीक कर देगा ये है, and also it kind of opens the pores. So whatever whatever skincare routine you are gonna do after that, it will get deep into your skin. You also, like, there is also skincare like a routine for that. I'm gonna share it with you, of course. But first, yeah, after cleaning, let your face dry for some time. मतलब डर्मा रोलिंग डैम फेस पे बिल्कुल भी मत करना. ओके, सो लिव योर स्किन लाइक दैट, let it थोड़ा सा ड्राई, let it थोड़ा सा toned. we're gonna use this. Now there is a procedure of using. First, okay, मेरा थोड़ा सा डैम है, it will get थोड़ा सा dry. Okay, I have to wait a little bit. Okay, another thing I have to say, okay, derma rolling के बाद, what the skincare is I'm saying, don't go out for at least, don't go out of your house in polluted areas and dust where there is a very high tendency to get dust on your face and all, for at least 24 hours. And also avoid doing heavy exercises like going to gym. Also stay away from stove, kitchen, because that may get steam, that may make your face get steam from the cooking. Like whatever you are cooking, that steam will get on your face and it will irritate your skin more worsely. So stay away from kitchen, from stove, from the heat. Stay away from doing the heavy exercises like going to gym or doing some heavy workout. And last day I said, don't go out for 24 hours. Okay, so like that you have to schedule it. Like किस दिन करना है, किस दिन के बाद you have छुट्टी का दिन, so you can do it, like do that. It's just a once a week, or also you can do 2 weeks में एक बार. Okay, that's a like emergency case कि हाँ मेरे कोई छुट्टी नहीं है तो I have to, then 2 weeks में एक बार, that is also good. But trust me, you're gonna get result from the first use only. Trust me on this. Okay, my face dried up, so I'm gonna start doing it. So for the forehead purpose, what we're gonna do, we're gonna from right to left, 1, okay, and up, no contact from the skin. Then again थोड़ा सा ऊपर में जाके up. So this is the horizontal lines. Now vertical lines. Now diagonals. Now this diagonal done, अब इस diagonal पे जाएंगे. Okay. Now ये जो routine we did, एक चीज I think you have noticed कि every time I'm doing it, I'm gonna like one and up, one and up. ये भी ऐसे one and up. Okay. And this whole set has to be done 3 times. Like एक बार मैंने किया और मैं 2 बार करूँगी the whole set like this. Horizontal, vertical, and this diagonal and this diagonal. Okay? ये हो गया तुम्हारा forehead का. So okay, I'm gonna do the forehead. Okay, so 3 sets done. Now if you notice really well, like you can see थोड़ा सा red हो गया है face. इससे भी ज़्यादा red होता है sometimes. Okay, if your like if your derma roller is newly bought, इससे भी थोड़ा red हो जा सकता है. Like after this use, I'm gonna throw it out because 5 times हो गया है. So if you use derma roller and it's newly bought, then इससे भी लाल होता है and that's totally fine. थोड़ा सा चुभता है, थोड़ा सा पेन लगेगा. I think you can tolerate that pain. If you can tolerate every pain that your partner gives you, then I think you can tolerate this one also. Yeah. So because the outcome will be good and it's so much certain. So yeah, I think थोड़ा सा रेड you can see it, ये होता है and it's totally normal. It's totally normal, I'm saying you. And this set you can go for 3 times or 4 times. Now in my case, I'm gonna do 4 times. I do this sets all 4 times. So another set is left. Okay, so now that you can see it has turned more red, and the other part I have got little bit like bump here and small acne. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure it gets more boost of the collagen so that it heals fast. Because a small one. अगर ये ज़्यादा होता, then I wouldn't have got, like I wouldn't have done that. Now after my forehead is over, now just because I did this, like this pimple part मैंने किया with this needle. Now if I use it here, it may get transmitted to my face. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it again, थोड़ा सा, and I'm gonna keep it aside a bit. Okay. So while it is resting, it's getting worked out. Let me share some more information. कि derma rolling के बाद stick to the minimal skincare routine which you do. Okay, don't use some harsh ingredients like salicylic acid or lactic acid, glycolic acid. Don't go for those like skincare product which contains this harsh acids in it, harsh chemicals in it, the salicylic and one. In that place, what you can go for those products which have hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, or yeah, stick to this. And also avoid vitamin C. Vitamin C also no, because it will irritate your skin. So because it needs to heal first. Okay, so niacinamide is good for if you got this redness and inflammation, inflammation, like like अगर inflated हो जाता है, inflate the word, yes, inflammation. So yeah, inflammation. Then niacinamide is good. You know that snail mucin is also good because it contains a bit of hyaluronic acid. So yeah, so but avoid applying vitamin C, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. What are the harsh acids there? Stick to this niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It will boost your collagen. It will boost your glow from within. Okay. So yeah, and also I will show you after this skincare. I will only apply my niacinamide, and then I will only apply my Cetaphilca gentle moisturizer. Okay, don't go for harsh, very strong smelling moisturizers and face wash. Just stick the gentle ones. This only. And always do derma rolling at night. Stay away from sunlight also if possible for this time to heal. At least one day you need to heal a bit much. So and uh, like stay away from sunlight, so it's better to do this derma rolling at night only. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, my forehead is done. Now I'm gonna go by face part. What we're gonna do, the face part का थोड़ा सा अलग है. You're gonna do 1 2. Now, on forehead, what I said, just one, don't rub it. Okay, like this, like एक साइड से एक गया बस up, एक साइड से एक गया up, ऐसे होता है. Don't rub, don't roll it because it's a flat surface. But your face is a curved surface, morely, like it's a cheeks, it has curves and all. It's not flat like your forehead. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll it like this. Okay, the horizontal turn. अब मैंने सिर्फ इतना किया. If you gonna do the full face also like this के. Now ये horizontal हो गया. Now I'm gonna do for the vertical, and also the pressure part. Don't rub it so harshly or so much pressure मत देना. Like give the pressure, adequate pressure which you can tolerate. Okay, so don't rub it like harshly on your face also. So horizontal done. Now vertical. So the vertical part down. Now diagonal, जैसे forehead किया था same ऐसे ये diagonal होगा, फिर ये diagonal जाएगा. So this side is done. Now for the left side, another time I'm gonna show it with you. Like show it to you. Rub a small part and up. Horizontal rub and up. Up. A vertical will be same. Like do it and up, and the diagonal one I say. Okay, so I'm gonna do the this part also. Okay, so my this two cheeks and my forehead is done. You can see it's reddish. It's totally normal, guys. I'm saying no need to panic. I may look like a lal bandariya, but but it's totally okay. It's totally okay because मैंने जो बोला कि microscopic cuts हो रहा है, तो just that's it only. इससे भी ज़्यादा लाल बंदरिया लगूंगी जब I will apply the niacinamide. Yeah, and also another thing, while you're rubbing it on your face, little bit irritation तो होगा because it's a needle. Okay, microscopic needles है, like not microscopic but still tiny needles है, तो थोड़ा सा तो pain होगा ही. And yeah, and another reminder I'm gonna give it to you, that if you are a beginner, no matter what age you are, if even if you have wrinkles, and like you are of 35 years, you have wrinkles and all, start it with 0.25 only, because that's how your skin adapts the treatment, the pain. Okay, then go for 0.5, then go for 1 mm. And if you are below the age of 30 or 35, where you have no wrinkles, you're only doing this treatment for the glow and healing, and for collagen boosting, making it younger, firmer, and treatment of this scars, or acne scars and all, then then after 0.25, stick like stick on that 0.5 mm only. Don't go to 1 mm. Okay, so yeah, now the special part about the chin and the upper lip part. What you gonna do? First, the upper lip is a very sensitive part. इस roller से भी thinner roller मिलता है, but you can do it with this only, with very careful. Okay. Horizon again, vertical थोड़ा लग रहा है, this is your upper lip. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and also some people use this derma rolling for for hair growth and for beard growth, like growth also, because after derma rolling your hair or beard, they apply this hair growth serum, which solely purpose is that opening the pores, so that the hair growth serum gets deep inside your hair or your beard. So okay, about the upper lip part. Okay, horizontal, now vertical. Now diagonal. Very careful. थोड़ा सा चुभ रहा है. It's okay. It's okay. Everything, anything to look beautiful, right? Like any pain. थोड़ा सा like सुंदर दिखने के लिए थोड़ा सा पेन तो जाहिर से, right? You know when I was 3 years old and I got my ears pierced, like ऐसे the first one. So क्या हुआ था कि मम्मी ने मुझे एक पार्लर पे ले गया था, and I did this gun shot. Okay, and after and जाते जाते वक्त ही मेरी मम्मी ने बोला था कि देख লাইক কি একটুখানি সুন্দর সাজতে গেলে কিন্তু একটু ব্যথা সহ্য করতে হয়. And since then I'm like, okay, it's just a pain, because the outcome will be beautiful, so I'm gonna tolerate this. So here I am. Okay, so the upper lip. Okay, the upper lip is getting a little bit red, you see. Again, I said this 3 times or 4 times. If you are pro in it now, you can do 4 times, and if you're like beginners, then stick it to 3 times only for the little bit थोड़ा सा जो tolerance होगा तो या. So the upper lip is done. Again, I'm saying it may look like horrible कि अरे लाल हो जा रहा है बहुत पेन. No, it's nothing like that. Trust me on this. Now the like this chin part. Again, the same way. Okay, so this derma rolling is done. Now after using it also, you have to disinfect it. Okay, because of you have to disinfect it. Again, before using, the next time you would use, again you have to disinfect it. So So yeah, so the derma rolling is done. Now the skincare part. First, we're going to go with the niacinamide serum. Minimalist 10% niacinamide. अभी अप्लाई करते ही थोड़ा सा और रेड हो जाएगा, but just so you know, it's nothing to be panicking about. Now after applying the niacinamide, थोड़ा सा like tiny bit, I think 2% irritation थोड़ा सा लगेगा, because your skin is absorbing this. The pores are open now, there are tiny cuts, and this is getting into deeper layers of your skin. So it is like it it will be thoda sa irritation, okay, but it's okay. It's bearable. No, nothing to be worried about. It's bearable. So niacinamide लग चुका है. After niacinamide, I'm gonna go with this Cetaphil Gentle Moisturizer. I use, as if you have seen my other video, like my skincare video, my morning skincare, then you will see I use the normal to combination sensitive skin वाला जो moisturizing lotion है Cetaphil का, that I use. And now you're gonna use it थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा करके on your face, because else your face may get dry. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now another thing. Now some other notes I'm gonna give to, like tips. After doing it, if you have AC at your home, then it's good. Like after doing it at night, you're gonna let your skin get preserved in AC, in that coolness over the night. But if you have no AC at your home, then choose a day which is more likely to not give you much sweat on your face. थोड़ा सा कम जब गर्मी होगा, इन समर टाइम आई एम सेइंग, थोड़ा सा कम जब गर्मी होगा, दैट टाइम यू डू इट. और एट नाइट जब गर्मी थोड़ा सा कम जाएगा, एकदम ठंडा ठंडा हवा निकलेगा, लाइक इट्स लाइक ठंडा हवा रहेगा, नॉट अ बिग डील टू गेट sweat on your face, that time you do it. Else avoid it, because as I say during the precaution part ki, avoid getting sweat on your face, like ever going in the kitchen and all. So yeah, likewise, like at least for the first night, get your sleep done in the AC room for the ठंड में. Winter is safe, rainy season is safe. Autumn में अगर थोड़ा सा गर्मी लगेगा, तो I say कि choose the day wisely and correctly. That's it, and always do it at night. Now after I done this is my part, like it's completed here. Now what I'm gonna do the next morning is ki next morning after care is, after, like wash your face with water, plain water. No, not do like, don't use face wash, only stick to the water wash. Water से wash कर लो. Then apply moisturizer, or if you have this snail mucin, Cosrx का जो snail mucin होता है, this one Cosrx का, apply this only. अगर moisturizer है Cetaphil का, अगर snail mucin नहीं है, then only go for this moisturizer, gentle moisturizer. Okay, mainly gentle, like I trust in Cetaphil, so yeah. So gentle moisturizer use करो सिर्फ after the water wash, और snail mucin बस लगा के छोड़ दो. Now after you take a bath, then like during the bath, only wash your face with, don't wash your face with harsh soap या anything chemical ingredient वाला कुछ item. Only stick to gentle body wash or gentle face wash. Like I use Cetaphil ka face wash, so only use gentle face wash. Also is there बहुत सारे gentle face wash, like Dot and Key का gentle like face wash है, simple gentle face wash. So yeah, stick it to that only. Like wash your face with face wash during the bath. Then after the bath, after you shower, again follow the step which I did right now. Niacinamide, only niacinamide, then your moisturizer. And as I said, and after like after that in the evening part, मतलब मैं कल वो करूँगी, I'm sharing it with you right now कि कल शाम को what I will do, I will apply a good face sheet mask. Now I prefer using this Tony Moly का जो face sheet mask होता है. It's this really works magic on my face. So I use this one. I like मैं ऐसे Nykaa में you can get buy 5 get 5 free. I think one is 100 rupees का, so 500 में you can get 10. और Amazon में भी मिलता है 8 pieces. एक बार में खरीदे तो 200 भी नहीं, I think 500 or 400 ऐसे कुछ. You just check it, okay? So yeah. So कल शाम को I will be using this sheet marks on my face for my hydration, for my coolness. Okay, मेरे skin को soothe करेगा बस वही. So I will use it. Now while using it, you can be like normally in a room or be in an AC room also to get more hydration, more coolness to your skin. बस वैसे. And again रात को what I will do, the same process that I use right now, niacinamide and moisturizer. That's it. Now after tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, that day like परसों से I will resume whatever skincare I follow. Like if I use salicylic acid, if I use like sunscreen or other ingredients, then that I will resume using. But do not use glycolic acid day after tomorrow also. Glycolic acid or vitamin C. I think glycolic acid at least wait for 4 days, and vitamin C serums at least wait for I never use vitamin C because it doesn't suit me that much. But if you're using vitamin C serum, then at least wait for your 3 days at least. Okay, or else don't go for that. And if you have other ingredients, then that only you can use. So अभी तक का ये था. That was my derma rolling का skincare का सफर. And also I will be posting my night care routine soon. That I have some, like I follow certain routines on alternative nights. So that also I'm gonna share it with you. So stay tuned, stay hydrated, and stay beautiful. I know I'm looking like a lal bandar again, but yeah, stay hydrated. कल सुबह भी, और another thing, कल सुबह भी थोड़ा सा लाल रह सकता है, थोड़ा सा your face can get like थोड़ा सा माने फुला फुला लग सकता है एकदम थोड़ा सा up and all, like puffiness रह सकता है face में, but it's all okay. Like by कल रात तक ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay, कल रात तक सब ठीक हो जाएगा. After you use the sheet marks and all, it will get totally okay. So trust the process. Okay, it gonna be okay. So yeah, bye. Until then, lots of kisses.